Blockchain technology explained. Simple explanation. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers in such a way that the registered transactions cannot be altered retroactively. It is like a chain of blocks where each block contains transaction data and the chain is distributed across multiple computers nodes. Detailed explanation. 1. Structure. Blocks. Each block contains a list of transactions, a timestamp, and a reference to the previous block. Chain. Blocks are linked together in a sequence, forming a chain. The first block is called the Genesis block. 2. Decentralization. Blockchain operates on a network of computers nodes rather than a single central server. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain. 3. Consensus mechanisms. Proof of work, POW. Nodes, miners, solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Proof of stake, POS. Validators are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. 4. Immutability. Once a block is added to the chain, altering the information in that block would require altering all subsequent blocks, making it highly secure and tamper-proof. 5. Transparency and security. Transactions are transparent and can be viewed by anyone with access to the blockchain, but they are secured through cryptographic hashing. Important concepts. 1. Cryptographic hashing. Each block contains a hash, a unique code of the previous block, linking them together and ensuring the integrity of the data. Smart contracts. Self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute and enforce the terms when certain conditions are met. 3. Decentralized applications, dApps. Applications that run on a blockchain network instead of a centralized server. They are open source and operate autonomously. Applications of blockchain. 1. Cryptocurrencies. The first and most well-known application of blockchain used for peer-to-peer digital currency transactions. Ethereum, a platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications. 2. Supply chain management. Blockchain can track the movement of goods, ensuring transparency and reducing fraud. 3. Healthcare. Securely stores patient records and ensures data privacy while enabling access to authorized medical professionals. 4. Finance. Facilitates faster and more secure transactions, reduces fraud, and streamlines the clearing and settlement process. 5. Voting systems. Ensures transparency, security, and integrity in the electoral process by preventing tampering with votes. 6. Real estate. Simplifies property transactions by securely recording property deeds and ownership history on the blockchain. Future prospects. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries by providing secure, transparent, and efficient solutions. As it continues to evolve, we can expect more innovative applications and wider adoption across different sectors.